Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Let's take a look into what's coming up in tonight's video. Before we really get started, you should probably lock your front door and avoid this crazy stranger from entering your home. This is just a warm-up. So grab the popcorn, your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights. And without further delay, let's get started. Night porch pirate steals a Halloween cat in this clip. This chooch jumps this railing at night, unplugs the cat. He then takes the cat. And the Halloween cat was never seen again. The end. Keep an eye on your Halloween decorations even after Halloween. Another porch pirate in this next clip. Let's watch together and see how clever this chump of a chimp is. He uses a broom and dustpan to pull the package closer to the gate if necessary and then lifts it up over the gate. In this case, he reached his arm in because of how close it was. He then pulls it up over the gate. These neighbors jumped the gate and broke the fence in 2 places. Police were outside and notified of the run. Please be advised, be cautious when around these two if you're in the area. We have some late-night drag racing in this next clip. Let's take a look and let us know your thoughts in the comments as usual, and thanks for watching. This stranger shows up at this front door carrying a firearm. Absolutely terrifying to say the least. Let's take a look together and see what happens.
Mar.
Who is it?
Mar.
You tried the wrong motherfucking door, bro.
I'm just trying to get some,
Last time you were trying to get shot, motherfucker.
what?
You put the little round goddamn porch.
Oh, okay. Not your car, baby.
Please be on the lookout for this crazy individual. Again, he is armed and dangerous. If you know this man or have any information, please call MPD immediately. Thanks. Homeowners said this is the second time this stranger showed up on their front door, putting random items all over the place, including the mailbox. How strange, not to mention a nuisance. Suspicious male blocking the camera and hiding his face at 4:30 in the morning. Be aware. High-speed chase.
Currently being recorded.
Three men armed, appear to possibly be under the influence of something and are creeping. They are firing random shots in this homeowner's backyard. Talk about scary to say the least. Be vigilant out there, my friends. Checking car doors. Keep your vehicles locked. Kia boys at it again. Keep an eye on your Kias. Another stolen bike from another front porch. Keep an eye on your bikes. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support and consider punching that like, share and subscribe button in the face. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now, to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. As always, keep it classy. Stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. We hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.